Boys and Girls Clubs of Wales is a national voluntary youth work organisation. We try and support young people as best as we can. We want to help young people expand their horizons and take part in international youth exchanges, and to let them know the benefits that expedition, the life-changing moment can have on their lives.
Many young people we support have never left their communities before. They've only ever known the Welsh valleys and the Welsh communities. For them, many of the barriers can be either financial or just kind of understanding the importance of being away. And it's part of our job and our role to encourage them and to show them actually the world's so close to us, so achievable to get to, and taking that risk and to getting outside their comfort zone. Yeah, that's huge.
A lot of young people we work with are from disadvantaged backgrounds and have troubles at home. Taking away on these international exchanges allows them to come away from the difficulties at home. It gives them a chance to be themselves and find the confidence to come out of their shell and potentially grow their support networks and expand on their horizons.
International exchanges help young people grow in so many ways, such as building a sense of friendship from across the world, building their teamwork skills, their confidence, their independence, their ability to manage difficult situations, their resilience, their sense of achievement when they try something new. It has so many facets, but each young person is impacted by the chance to go on an international exchange.
A lot of the time when they come to these exchanges, they don't know anyone, they're very quiet, they're very shy, sitting on their own. As the exchanges go by, it's nice to actually see them step out of their comfort zone, watch their confidence grow from the start of the exchange to them actually being a key part of the group by the end of the exchange, and their confidence is blooming, which is nice to see.
A key aspect of youth work is the relationship between youth workers and young people. Residential exchanges are key to that. As a youth worker, as someone who's been involved in youth work for many years, it's probably the best form of youth work for engaging with young people and seeing how young people grow in that environment.
I think young people can come to a youth work session and pretend to be okay for 1 or 2 hours. The mask can come up and the home life stays away, but when you're with them for 7 days, 12 days, from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m, they start to open up, they start to trust you, they start to see you as a trusted adult that they confide in. And that's the most important part of youth work, is that in those moments when they are willing to take the mask down and talk to you, that's the times you see the most transformation and the most impact of being a youth worker.
International exchanges are an opportunity for the young people to show the Welsh culture to the rest of the world. A prime example of this was when we hosted German Exchange last year. The young people were able to teach some of the German young people some Welsh language.
I really do hope that TIFE continues, because it is having a massive impact on young people. Young people need this support more than ever, particularly in disadvantaged communities.
Working with young people from disadvantaged backgrounds, they've had access to so many opportunities which they wouldn't necessarily get without TIFE.
The great thing about TIFE is it's specific to Wales, and the people who designed the programme understand Wales and all the differences in all the communities. It's so important to have such a programme that invests in young people in Wales.
The impact it has on young people is huge. Lives are transformed through exchanges. It sounds a bit dramatic, I appreciate, but it's the truth. It's hard to measure the fact that a young person's life's been changed fundamentally, but it has. They grow in confidence, in aspirations, they make connections from around the world. They learn more about themselves in those 12 days than they may have in years. It's huge, and without TIFE and without the funding opportunities, young people will never have these opportunities otherwise.